speed. So we can see the person breathing a second or a minute. So on the top of their head, that is what we call cap. Nasa ulo po nila is that is cap. Usually, our cassowary is all originated from China. And as you can see, he is alone because a cassowary po is a solitary animal.
Ayun o, camel.
Yung camel na totoo.
Ayan nga, camel na totoo.
So we have here our dromedary camel or Arabian camel. Those who have is what we call African camel.
Ayan na!
So it's not composed of water, but a fatty tissue that acts as their food reservoir. So kahit po hindi sila kumain na matagal, kaya po nilang mabuhay.
Lumapit ka dun, Carlo. Carlo, lapit doon. Pipictuan nga kita eh.